Hey guys, Wolfboys here, back to you in the video. Here looking at more keyboards, and so that HCM keyboard I was showing y'all, the heck with that crap. We're not getting that. So this is the Tecware Phantom 104 key mechanical keyboard with fully customizable RGB LED lighting, Ultima brown switches, extra switches provided, I think 2. Amazing for gamers, also for typists and stuff. Look at that, it looks really good. I've already watched quite a few reviews, and yeah, so I'd get the 4-year protection on this. Let's just run through it real quick. Has the gold-plated, and it's also braided, but gold-plated USB cable. Yeah, see right there, it's braided. Floating keys design, modular switches, so you can change them out if you so wanted to. Has Ultima switches, the clones of Cherry MX, really good. Fully customizable RGB backlighting. There's 20 preset configurations, or you can make your own. In-key rollover, 3.25 pounds, 4.5 out of 5 stars, ranked 134th in PC gaming keyboards. Now, here's the E-Element, same price, more reviews, but rated a little bit lower. This is the E-Element Z88 RGB, fully customizable, pretty much. Mechanical, yeah, actually it is fully customizable. Mechanical gaming keyboard, brown switch, tactile and slightly clicky, programmable RGB backlight, water resistant. Get that with the 4-year protection as well. If we go down through this, perfect keystroke design. The other one has this too. Programmable full RGB backlighting. No driver needed or anything. You can do individual colors and all. That's what I really like. Sturdy base, high-grade aluminum alloy. All 104 keys are 100% anti-ghosting. There's 12 multimedia keys. Windows key can be disabled for gaming. Same on this one. And the keyboard is built to withstand the average liquid spill. I think this one will too. Gold-plated USB connector. I don't think it's braided, but that's okay, because what it makes up there is detachable. Non-slip ergonomic. This one has it too. Most of them will, honestly. A little bit lighter. Ranked a little bit less, or a little bit lower. And yeah, I think I like the Tecware over this one, which is already in my dad's Amazon cart, because I was looking at it because my phone was at 1%. We were not home, so I figured, well, I'll use his phone. He let me. So I just went to Firefox and went to Amazon.com and just searched it up, and I was looking at this. I showed it to him, then he said, well, why didn't you do it on my Amazon thing? And went into the app and put it in there and added it to his cart. So doesn't mean he's gonna buy it immediately or something. That's not what I'm saying. I was gonna buy it, but it'd be the with the insurance and stuff and tax, it'd be like $60, or well, same price here. So yeah, $60. Now I also looked at this. It is $3 cheaper. And you also save an extra 10%. So you know, you're looking at $7 cheaper. So quite a bit. By the way, this one's just the one with the mouse. Okay, this is the Red Dragon K582 Sorara RGB LED backlit mechanical gaming keyboard with 104 keys, linear and quiet red switches. Now, it also has in-key rollover, but it's not fully customizable. There's 6 RGB themes and 18 RGB lighting modes. Also has ergonomic design, macro lighting setting, and 16.8 million colors backlit. So it's not fully customizable. It's not even customizable at all. I think you may have one like gaming setting you can customize, if that. Now Red Dragon is a really good brand, but it's just not what I need. No tactile, no clicky. It looks really good, but also gold-plated USB. You can tell it's quality that way. It doesn't make a lot of difference actually, but it just shows they put that extra little, you know, with the extra little mile. Laser engraved keycaps. This one's a little bit on the heavier side. Rated a little bit higher but less reviews. Also, it's a higher rank as well. But if we just watch this little deal, it looks really good. But whatever. But yeah. And it is pretty much a steal. All these are. Despite Red Dragon being a really good brand, this being $7 cheaper, I'm going to have to roll with this. Lastly, we'll look at the Rate. mechanical keyboard with brown switches, 104 key, full-size, LED illuminated backlit, anti-ghosting keys for copywriter, gamer, and programmer. This is rated a 4.5 out of 5 stars. This one runs like $45 with tax. Now it looks really good, really sleek, really compact, really stealthy. I really like it. The font's fine. I don't really care about fonts as long as it's not some, Kryptonian text or something. If we roll on down here, nice pictures. Ultimate brown mechanical keys, same deal here. Comes with a remover, adjustable multiple backlight. You can make your own deal, but you can't. I don't think you can customize the color. You can just customize what keys you want lit. Say, like Fortnite, okay? So space WASD-CVX, I think. So just say that you can light all those up. So you go to that mode, FN7 or whatever, however you get there. You might be able to reprogram these. I don't know. This is FPS games, Counterforce or something. Call of Duty, I don't know, League of Legends, etc. Alright. So it should just be a customizable one. You can select what keys light up. Now it is not rainbow, it's RGB, so I'm not sure how exactly that'll work. Like how it will look. But it's a braided deal, I think. Braided cord. Non-slip ergonomic design, 100% anti-ghosting, and SPO resistant. If we're going down here, 2.15 pounds, a little bit on the lighter side, 4.5 out of 5 stars with 95 reviews, and it's, not very popular. Yeah, this is a really good video.
Okay, record video.
So this is the Rotate mechanical keyboard, and it's a light-up keyboard. Just plugged it in.
When he was changing modes, she was still,
This is my.
because I think it was a control key, still clicking that and it was showing it, so he didn't have to do that. He just switched between modes and talking about it. It was great. It's like later on in the video here. But this key looks
single color options.
Really good. See, she was just doing this.
So send in the red, the green,
he changed colors, he changed modes,
blue,
all that, and she just keeps clicking.
Yellow.
It's really cute, but this keyboard actually looks really good. And I forgot I was watching the Rade, like you said in the beginning, but I went out of it. And I was like, well, it's a Rade. But it's not fully customizable RGB, and it's kind of an unheard of brand. Maybe it would break down later, but the reviews are really good. I just feel, go back up here. Yeah, it is quite a bit cheaper, but I just feel like I want to roll with the Tecware. Just because, it doesn't show me how many purchases. Because not everybody reviews it, sadly. But it's much higher up on the deal here. Yeah, much higher up. Like 700 something places up. So that shows you. See more? Don't take me to a link. Thank you. Durability, really high. Read a lot of the reviews. It even comes with extra switches. Yes, extra switches provided. That's right. It's already in my dad's cart and stuff. He likes the look of it, so I'll roll with it. If it ends up being trash, I might go for the cheaper Rate. The lighting isn't as good. It's not customizable, but that I could try the E-Element. I posted on Discord on this Natural Type server, and I posted all 4 of these. They said go with the Tecware, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. I guess it's already in my dad's car. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'll probably have to, assuming I win. There's an icon test for the Natural Type server. It's a $15 prize, so I'll just have him get a $15 Amazon gift card. Assuming, or like a Visa gift card, whatever. I don't care if it's refillable or anything like that. Just, get the money without sending it physically, and not Natural Type money. Virtual money can't buy this, sadly. But anyways, where's that? Oh yeah, I might have to have my dad give me like $5. Then he'll probably say, no, I'll just buy it. I know that's what he'll do, but, I'm just gonna roll with my own thing. Because I got $30. Then, if I win that, it'd be 45. I'll need 5. Actually, let me add this to the cart. Hold up. Yeah, let me just get a Visa credit card. That works. What am I doing? Oh, proceed to checkout. It was 4 items. I must have another keyboard in there and insurance. Oh, shut your pie hole. Can I just view my cart? Yeah, there we go. I don't know why I did that. Tecware. This piece of crap. Yeah, don't get this, guys. I didn't get it for a good reason. I could have paid freaking $30 and had that, but no. $60 almost, see? So, my 30 plus a 15. 30 plus 15 is, that's 45. Okay. I'm playing with y'all. Anyways, it'd be like 58.98, so 60 freaking bucks. Even without this, it'd still be 50. So, yeah. This keyboard's gonna have to last me for years. I'm getting a 4-year warranty. Hold up. Do they have a 3? It's $3. For $3, see, $4, it makes it $2 and 24.75. I don't know. $2.25 to call it. This makes it freaking like $1.99 or something. Because $2.46 is basically $6. It's basically $9. $3.69. So magic. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna roll with this. Double shot injection, speed advantage. Because a full key rollover. The keyboard I'm using at school, my teacher's making me. Anyway, my teacher's making me use. It doesn't have in-key rollover. It's like 2-key rollover or 3-key rollover. I'm a fast typer. The keyboard doesn't work out for me, and it's just a. It's like the. What keyboard I'm not getting? Like for sure. Like I said, I feel bad. It's a really good keyboard, but it's just not what I need. Red Dragon, S101, I want to say. Yeah. It's kind of like this, but nowhere near the quality. No offense. It's just like a Dell or something. Kinda, but it's just, ugh. The keys feel gunky. It's not dirty or anything. It's just, I don't know how to describe this stuff. There's no words in English to describe it. It just feels gunky and just, ugh. It just feels wrong. I'm gonna mark this Rade down. Hold on, let me get the Dragon K561. Wait, it's not the 561, it's a freaking. It's not the 580, trust me. 552, no. 561R? No, it had 10 key. 558? No, it's the Inala. Viznu. I don't remember what it was now. Here, magic. Oh my gosh. Oh, I X'd it out. I did a Rade for 33. What the heck? Oh, here it is. Bookmark this. Alright. Bookmark this. Here we go. This is what I'll be getting, guys. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Get some keyboard hype. Mechanical keyboard hype. I'm gonna join that mechanical keyboard crew. Let's go. Heck yeah. By the way, Nitro Type season starts in, well, I guess 48 hours, roughly. Depends how you put it. 48 hours and 34 minutes. Or 33 actually, because it starts at 6:59 or 7 or something. Because they extended it by 2 days, which works well for me. It means it starts on a Friday. Saturday and Sunday will be race. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments how you feel. Let's get that hype going. I'll see y'all in the next video. By the way, I just took 2 major tests. Sorry for not being very active. I just took a test today and a test yesterday, so yeah. It's almost the end of school. We have 11 more school days, I think, or 10. Because we have the rest of this week and then 2 4-day weeks. So that's what, this is what, Wednesday, Tuesday? So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3, 8. So that's 11 school days. And the last 2 days are only half days. So the 30th and 31st will be getting out at 12. So yeah. So kind of 10 days. Depends how you want to look at it. Alright, enough of my blabbering. Look at this baby. Tecware Phantom. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.